Hi teacher, good evening, classmate and tutor. My name is Andres Fernando Cifuentes. I am 30 years old. I am 186 meters. My hair is short and black with gray. My physical complexion is thick. I am married. My wife name is Viviana Muñoz Morales. She is 39 years old and she is tall and hair is short and black. My daughter name is Sofia Cifuentes. She is 12 years old. She is a student, 7th grade. Our family are mother of two beautiful dogs that we adopt. They are like of children. Their names are Bruno and Becca. I am studying engineering communication. No, I am studying telecommunication engineer. I am going to semester. My daily routine is like is like that. I get up early in the morning and I do my devotional. After that, I take a shower, wipe my wife, made my breakfast and lunch. At 7:30 a.m., I go to work. I look at the day's pending usage and repair 5 computers. In the afternoon, I come home to tell to my wife and to advance of the exercise university. I spend the Saturday with my daughter, and the Sunday I go to the crunch. Excuse me. I go to the church and the wheat. Okay. On the wheat, my wife, we to go different places to pass a good time together.